In the last lecture, we have started 3.5 Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom, Unconquerable, Undefeatable Supermom Mary Kom. We have seen the childhood of Mary Kom. How did she struggle in her childhood? How had she been inspired and from whom? For choosing boxing as a career, we have seen. Now, we have been discussing about her interview. She has given her interview to one newspaper after winning the bronze medal in Olympic. We have discussed some questions. Now let's discuss remaining questions. Page number 133. We were discussing the second question. I take that question again. India managed just 6 medals in the 2002 Olympics, even though we are a nation of 1.3 billion people. Interviewer asked, India just achieved 6 medals in 2012 Olympics, although our population was at that time 130 crores. It means with proportion of that population, the number of medals was so less, very less. Where do you think a change is required to help us to win medals that are proportionate with our population? Then interviewer asked, where the changes are required, to win medals according to our population. What does Mary Kom thinks to win more and more medals? Now look, what does Mary Kom reply? Mary Kom says, I think more and more people should take up sports as a full-time career if we want more gold medals. Mary Kom suggested that if we want more medals, then more and more people should take up sports as full-time career. Then more and more people should take up sports as a full-time career, then we can achieve more medals. People, youngsters must take up sports as their full-time career. More corporate companies should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have financial pressure and can just focus on their games. According to Mary Kom, more and more companies should come forward and help players, sponsor players, so that players would not have any kind of financial pressure and they could focus on their sport. In India, there are many talented youngsters in sports, but due to their economic condition, they can't go further in their career due to the responsibility of their homes. They could not focus, they cannot focus on their sport. So Mary Kom suggests more and more companies must come and help players so that players would not have any kind of financial pressure and so that they can just focus on their games. Look now, next question. Do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? Interviewer asked Mary Kom whether she really thinks interest in boxing in India, interest in boxing in India would ever go beyond the Olympics. Now look, what did Mary Kom reply? Yes, I am sure in a few years boxing will be very popular among everyone in India all the year around. On that question, Mary Kom was strongly positive. She was sure that in a few years boxing will be a very popular boxing will be very popular among everyone in India all the years around, because by looking the present situation in boxing, Mary Kom was sure that boxing will be very popular among everyone in India all the year around. Now next question, look, interviewer, according to that Mary Kom, in few years the boxing would be very popular due to increasing interest of youngsters. Now next question, how aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? Interviewer asked whether the Indian women are aware about their diet, whether Indian women cares of their diet, what kind of diet do they take. Diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning for the Olympics. Interviewer says that diet and nutrition are the very important key factor in becoming fit. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? After telling about importance of diet, about explaining regarding the diet, interviewer asked whether she really thinks nutrition is being neglected in Indian sports. Now look, what does Mary Kom tell about nutrition? The awareness is growing now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirements. According to Mary Kom, awareness among the female athletes is increasing day by day when they think about their fitness. Mary Kom honestly explains that the nutrition, the awareness among the female athletes is growing day by day when they think about their fitness. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. She also tells that nutrition has been definitely a neglected area in Indian sports. I had to gain 3 kg since I had to fight in the 51 kg even instead of the usual 48 kgs that I fight in. She gave an example. Once she had to play in the 51 kg instead of 48 kg. At that time she had to gain her 3 kg weight. Look what happened. Once Mary Kom had to play in the 50 kg event instead of her regular 48 kg event. At that time, she had to increase 3 kilogram weight. So I had to focus on what to eat. So in that time, Mary Kom had to focus on what to eat. Mary Kom had to focus on what to eat. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated fats. At that time, Mary Kom gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than oily, unhealthy fats. It means the players need to pay attention on their nutrition very carefully. Mary Kom has given one example of her own when she had to gain her weight by 3 kg at that time. She had to eat the right kind of healthy food rather than the unhealthy fats. Now, next question. How big a role did OGQ, OGQ is one organization, Olympic Gold Quest, play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? Inter were asked how OGQ played its role in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better. Means how did OGQ give its support for boxing for those players to make them successful, to make them strong. Now look what is the reply of Mary Kom for this question. OGQ really played an important part in my success. Mary Kom told about herself regarding OGQ. According to him, OGQ played a very important role in her success. OGQ fully supported her in her success. They helped me out whenever I needed something. According to Mary Kom, the members in OGQ helped her whenever she needed help. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress free. OGQ took care of everything, and that support helped Mary Kom to focus on her boxing, and that support kept her stress free, which is very important in that career. All players must be stress free to achieve success, to go at high peak in their field. If they would be in stressful situation, then they can't focus on their sport. So it is very important to remain stress free for the players, and OGQ played very important role in Mary Kom's success. It supported her, and that support helped her to focus on boxing and to keep her stress free. Now next, interviewer, what's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Interviewer asked the opinion of Mary Kom about the future of Indian boxing. Next question is, what's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Interviewer asked the opinion of Mary Kom about the future of Indian boxing. Now look, Mary Kom, the future is very bright and I'm sure many more boxers will get medals for us. Look, Mary Kom says the future is very bright. Now look, Mary Kom says the future of Indian boxing is very bright and I'm sure many more boxers will get medal for us. By looking at present situation and by looking the bright future of Indian boxing, Mary Kom was sure that more and more boxers will get more medals for India for us. Now next question. Do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style all the time? One personal question has been asked. Interviewer asked when the kids of Mary Kom, the children of Mary Kom, look her while going out and doing boxing at that time, whether she finds it difficult to control them when they fight with each other. Interviewer asked Mary Kom when her children look her while boxing at that time, they might have also fighting at that time, whether she finds it difficult to control them when they fight as like her. Is one personal question. Mary Kom, well, I have twins and yes, sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep them under control. Mary Kom frankly replied that she informed us that she has twins and really she finds really difficult to keep them under control. She also finds difficult to keep them under control. Look again. Mary Kom replied that she has twins and yes, sometimes she finds very difficult to keep them under control as like other kids. They also do a lot of naughtiness and especially the children of Mary Kom fight with each other as her mother does boxing. So she says she finds difficult to control them. Now, interviewer, will you train your kids to become boxer as well? Interviewer asked whether Mary Kom would turn her kids, whether Mary Kom would train her kids to become boxer as well. Interviewer asked whether Mary Kom would like to make their kids boxer. Mary Kom, I haven't really thought about it. Mary Kom replied that she had not thought about that. As of now, just let their mother box, and she frankly told at that time, let her just mother to do boxing. Mary Kom told that she hadn't thought about that career of her children. She just wants to do boxing at that time. Now, interviewer, we have broken several stereotypes about the woman. Stereotypes means ideas, a fixed idea held as a common standard. You have broken several stereotypes about the woman in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. Interviewer told her that Mary Kom had broken many misunderstandings, many ideas about women in India, many ideas, many concepts, many misunderstandings about the women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. And look, Mary Kom created history and she showed that Indian women can do anything with men in any field. But how good are you at the traditional feminine activities like cooking? Mary Kom was the successful boxer, but interviewer asked her how had she been very good of the traditional feminine activities like cooking, means how had she been good in the house chorus, whether she has been doing her house chorus as like other women. Now look, Mary Kom, well, I am good at cooking and other household work too. Mary Kom replied that she is a very good at cooking as well as other house work. She is very good at cooking as well as for other housework. It means although she is a famous and professional boxer, she is very good at cooking and also other household work. Now interviewer, would you be interested in coaching Indian women in boxing one day? Interviewer asked whether Mary Kom would take interest in coaching Indian women in boxing one day. Interviewer asked Mary Kom whether she would like to coach Indian women in boxing after her retirement or in future. Mary Kom, let's see, in the future maybe yes. Mary Kom didn't answer confidently at that time, but she replied that she would like to train Indian women in boxing in the future. Now, last question. Why do you prefer being called super mom or super boxer? It's also one personal question. Interviewer asked what does she like being called, super mom or super boxer? What does she like to be called, super mom or super boxer? Now look, Mary Kom, I love being a mom. Mary Kom replied that she likes to be called super mom. She likes to be called super mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me, because that's the best thing which had been happened with her, and for every woman to become a mother is very valuable, very precious thing in their life. So every woman likes to be mother, likes to be called mom, because to become mother for women would be or is an excellent moment, unforgettable moment in their lives. So, as like other women, although Mary Kom was an excellent professional boxer, She likes to be called super mom rather than super boxer. Okay, in this way, Mary Kom gave her interview and spoke very frankly about her childhood, about her career, and about her present life. Now, how many awards did Mary Kom get? Let's see. Awards and recognition. Award and recognition. First award, Arjun Award in 2003. Mary Kom got Arjun Award in 2003. Next, Padma Shri in sports in 2006. Mary Kom got Padma Shri in 2006. Everyone knows there are three Padma Awards: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. And Mary Kom got Padma Shri in sports in 2006. Contender, consistent, means participant for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2007. She was nominee for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2007. People of the Year Limca Book of Records in the 2007. She got People of the Year Limca Book of Records in 2007. CNN, IBM and Reliance Industries Real Heroes Award in 2008. Look, next award, CNN, IBM and Reliance Industries Real Heroes Award in 2008. Mary Kom got CNN, IBM and Reliance Industries Real Heroes Award in 2008. Pepsi MTV Youth AIBA in 2008. She got Pepsi MTV Youth AIBA in 2008. Next, she got Magnificent Mary AIBA in 2008. Magnificent Mary of AIBA in 2008. Felicitation of Zomi Students Federation at New Lamka YP Hall in 2008. Look, she had been felicitated by Zomi Students Federation. Felicitation means admiration, honor. She had been honored by Zomi Students Federation at New Lamka YP Hall in 2008. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2009. She got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2009. In 2007, she was nominee. In that year, she couldn't get that award, but in 2009, she got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. International Boxing Association's Ambassador for Women's Boxing in 2009. Look, she became International Boxing Association's Ambassador for Women's Boxing in 2009. She became Ambassador of International Boxing Association in 2009. Sportswoman of the Year, Sahara Sports Award in 2010. She got the award of the Sportswoman of the Year in 2010. Sahara Sports Award she got in 2010. Look, due to her performance, due to her success, due to her strong willpower, she has been honored with many prestigious awards by the government of India, and really Mary Kom is very remarkable, very excellent woman. She struggled hard in her life. She did not give up, she did not get discouraged, but she became successful in her boxing, and she gave many good things to boxing. Okay, look, this topic has been completed here. Now I am discussing English workshop. Let's discuss English workshop. Choose the correct alternative and underline it. Choose the correct alternative and underline it. What is included in the text? Story, speech, interview or poem. What is this text? Interview. So tick mark interview. Third question is correct. What is included in the text? It is interview. Which state does Mary Kom belong to? Manipur. Manipur. Which state does Mary Kom belong to? Manipur. Who inspired Mary Kom and other youngsters in Manipur to choose boxing as a career? Dinko Singh. Who inspired Mary Kom and other youngsters in Manipur to choose boxing as a career? Dinko Singh. What did Mary Kom prefer being called Supermom? What did Mary Kom prefer being called Supermom? Now second, go through the text again and find out the names of cities and their importance in Mary Kom's life. One is given for you. Look, we have to pick out the names of cities and their importance in Mary Kom's life. Kanthay, Mary Kom's birthplace. Kanthay is Mary Kom's birthplace. Manipur. Look, what is the Manipur? Victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship. Victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship. Manipur take victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship. West Bengal, West Bengal, West Bengal, victory in the regional championship. Victory in the regional championship. West Bengal, victory in the regional championship. USA, winning silver medal at the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. At the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. Winning silver medal at the AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. Now look, next we have to complete the sentences. Go through the text again and complete the following sentence. Let's discuss this activity. You have to complete the given sentences. Let's find out. First sentence is Mary Kom helped her parents with farm related chores. Mary Kom helped her parents with farm related chores. With farm related chores. Mary Kom helped her parents with farm related chores. Second, the success of Dinko Singh inspired the success of Dinko Singh inspired, find out the answer. Take many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing. Many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, right? In this way, many youngsters in Manipur, many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing. Many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing. Mary Kom made her debut. Mary Kom made her debut at, look, where is that answer? Find out that answer. Mary Kom made her debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in the United States. At the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in the United States. At the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in the United States. Full stop. Now next, Mary Kom, we can get more gold medals if, we can get more gold medals if more and more people take up sports as a full-time career. More and more people take up sports as a full-time career. More and more people take up sports as a full-time career. We can get more gold medals if more and more people take up sports as a full-time career. Now next, Mary Kom was able to increase her weight by eating the right kind of healthy food. By eating the right kind of healthy food. Eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated fats. Rather than bad saturated fats. By eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated fats. Next, Mary Kom is good at cooking. Mary Kom is good at cooking and other cooking. Mary Kom is good at cooking and other household work too. Mary Kom is good at cooking and other household work. Mary Kom is good at cooking and other household work. Full stop. Next, Mary Kom loves to be a mom. Take mom. Mary Kom loves to be a mom. Mary Kom loves to be a mom. Next, Mary Kom apologizes the nation for not being able to win the gold. 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 Mary Kom apologized the nation for not being able to win the gold. Full stop. Combs' parents were tenant farmers. Combs' parents were tenant farmers. Tenant farmers. Her father was a keen wrestler. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. A keen wrestler, W-R-E-S-T-L-E-R, a keen wrestler in his younger age. Now last statement, Mary Kom was the first woman boxer. Mary Kom was the first woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal. To qualify and win a bronze medal in the 50 kg flyweight category of boxing. To qualify and win a bronze medal. To qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. To qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. Okay, now fourth question. You will find some acronyms, short forms in the text. Look, in the text there are many short forms which are known as acronyms. Go to the library and search on the internet to find their full forms. We have to find their full forms. Look, OGQ, one given, Olympic gold quest. Olympic gold quest. Okay, Olympic gold quest. IBN, Internet Business Network. Internet Business Network. Internet Business Network. Next, right? Internet Business Network. Next, MTV, Music, Television, Video. Music, Television, Video. Music, Television, Video. Music, Television, Video. YPA, just 1 minute. YPA. Yes. YPA, take yearly plan of action, yearly plan of action, yearly plan of action, yearly plan of action. AIBA, take amateur, AMATEUR, the amateur international, the Amateur International Boxing Association. The Amateur International Boxing Association. The Amateur International Boxing Association. CNN Cable News Network. CNN Cable News Network. Cable News Network. Now, fifth question, page number 134. You have to do it yourself. I just explained. All information of Mary Kom has been given in this lesson. Fill in the fact file of Mary Kom. Full name, native of, early life and interest, special sports taken up, inspired by coach early achievement. Means you have to write about Mary Kom. What is her full name? What is her native place? How was her early life and interest? Which was her special sport? Which is her special sport? How did she inspire? Who was or who is her coach now? Early achievements. Which achievements did she get? International achievements. Her fashion and her future plans. Look, all information has been given in this lesson. With the help of that information, you prepare this fact file. Now next question. Glance through the text and find the special qualities of Mary Kom. We have to find out the special qualities of Mary Kom. Complete the web by putting different qualities of Mary Kom in the boxes. We have to put different qualities of Mary Kom. One quality has been given. Qualities of Mary Kom: humble. Take next. Fascinate. P-A-S-S-I-O-N-A-T. Fascinate. P-A-S-S-I-O-N-A-T-E. Fascinate. Confident. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T. Confident. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T. Confident. Loving and caring. Loving and caring. Patient. Positive attitude. Take next. The strong willpower. The strong willpower. Okay. These qualities are of Mary Kom. Now, page number 135. You have to do this activity yourself. Make sentences of your own using the following words. You have to use the following words in your own sentences. Debut, elation, sponsor, reinforce, humble surrounding. Look, I have told you the meanings of these words. You use these words in your own sentences. Okay. Now I take next question. Find antonyms of the following words from the text. You have to find out antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. Okay. And those words, opposite words, are in the text. Arrogant, humble. Arrogant, humble. A-R-R-O-G-A-N-T. Arrogant, humble. Finally, initially. Depressed, elation. E-L-A-T-I-O-N. Depressed elation. Okay. Disqualify. Diffident, confident. Last word is float, sink. Float, sink. S-I-N. Yes, INK. Look, another one correction there. I told you the long form of YPA. Don't take that long form. Do correction. YPA. One correction. YPA means Yellow Pages Advertising. Yellow Pages Advertising. Yearly plan of action. Don't take that. Yellow Pages Advertising. YPA. Make one correction. YPA means Yellow Pages Advertising. Don't take that long form here. Yellow Pages Advertising. Okay. I stop here. I discuss further activities in the next lecture.